Oh, hi there, my name's Ash and I'm going to show you how to use a printer. Hello and welcome to How to Print Really Good in 5 Steps by Ash, that dude with a lobster phone and beard. First of all, take a walk down to any printer that's in the building. Oh, some nice artwork there. Oh, there's a door. And here you can see me approaching the printer. I wonder how to use the printer. I don't know what to do at this screen.
This beard is good.
Step 1. Take your card. Place it on the card reader. Step 2. Have patience, my young Padawans. It will load. There we go. Step 3. Choose what you want to print. Step 4. Once you're in this menu, you can press the Details button, and this will take you to a place where you can choose to print in black and white or colour. For this one, I'm going to choose colour. Step 5. Once you've selected it, you see that big blue button there. Press it, then it'll print. Just give it a few minutes. Sometimes this will take longer if you're printing lots of stuff. Then some witchcraft happens, and eventually your masterpiece will be printed. Here's mine. My face, yes. I know you're all sat here wondering why you're looking at a blank screen and why you're still listening to Ash. Well, there is another bit to the printer, and that's copying. So here it goes. Approach the printer, optional dab, then you'll see this screen again. Step 1. Take your card again. Scan it. Oh, I need a new picture. Oof. Step 2. Lift up the scanner. Place the image that you want to scan face down onto the scanner plate and then close the lid again. Step 3. Once you're in here, you need to select copy. Once you select copy, you have a list of settings to choose from. You can choose whether you want it in black and white or full colour, and then you can also choose the paper size. So you can have full colour or black and white, 2 colour, single colour, whatever you like really. You can change the size and the aspect ratio. I'm going to choose A4 for this one. Step 4. Lift up the lid, remove the thing that you wanted to scan and put it back down again. Step 5. Take out your copied piece of paper. Here it is, and now I have 2 pictures of my face. Yes! There is one final thing to show you, and on this final thing I'm going to show you how to scan to your mail. So press menu and then choose DocuPro. It's just there. Once you're in here, choose Scan to Me. Once you've pressed that, you can choose whether you want to scan it to documents or to mail. Always scan to mail, it's the easiest way. Once you're in here, make sure you press Scan to Mail again. Got to press it, otherwise it won't work. Once you've done that, that's all good. Press that blue button, sorted, and it'll scan to your email. Ace. 10 out of 10. I would print again. Thanks for watching.